This one here is the 2-carat stone. It's very lightly tinted, very light brown, but it actually faces up really white. I think it could fool a lot of people. In the white background, you can tell the tint, and this one's pretty yellowish right there. But if you look at it against, against something else, maybe you can see it really hides it well. That doesn't damage the diamond either. Let's take a very white diamond in comparison.